Hey everyone, recently I came across this iPhone 16 animation. If you look at this, it's a sticky animation, but as soon as it sticks to the top of the screen, right, this image starts revealing. If you look at this, right, it's amazing. I love this one, right? But it's very easy to make in Wix Studio, whether it's Webflow or Framer, it's very easy to make, right? So I tried creating this one in my Wix Studio project, and let me show you that here. Here's the demo, as you can see, right? The same one, the same like this iPhone 16 website. The image is taken from there, right? I just found the images on iPhone 16 website. This one, if you look at this initially, as you can see here on the even the iPhone 16 website, right, the same animation. The initial image is this. Here you can see the initial image. As soon as I scroll, see, I'm in my Wix Studio. As you can see, I'm in my Wix Studio editor, and as you can see these animations, right? I love this. It's very easy, and here are the steps that I follow, and even you can follow these steps to create animation for your website, right? So here, as you can see, I have a container which is sticky, right? So let me show you here. I'm using a sticky position top, and the offset is 0%. And here I have three images: image one, image two. The image one is the default image, right? And all the images are here, right? They are not like are not given any offset to the images, nothing, right? All the images are here at one place, and the first image and the second, there is no animation on the first image, but if I click on the image 2, as you can see, the red bold line is here, right, which is saying that it's an animation. So it's like I'm using the reveal animation in this on scroll property. As you can see here in this scroll one, wait, okay, let me see, just give me a moment. Okay, on the scroll I have the reveal animation, and in this reveal what I'm doing is, right, from right side I'm revealing my image as I'm scrolling, right? And this animation area which you can define as per your requirements of your animation, right? The same thing goes for this image 3 animation. So as you can see, but here the animation area is different. Just look at this, right? As soon as my second image finish scrolling, right, I'm running my third image, right? So it's very easy to create in Wix Studio just using the reveal animation. And if you look at here, they are using code here, but we are just using the reveal animation in Wix Studio without writing a single line of code. The same thing you can build in Webflow and Framer, but you must have to build it in Framer and Webflow. And if you know the rules of building layouts in Webflow and Framer, you can do that easily, right?